Hi everybody, there's a serious storm coming into Cape Town. It's already raining, the wind is picking up, but I want to take you through Greenmarket Square. Many years ago, when I was a youngster, I used to have a stall here. When I was still living in my van, traveling through South Africa with my Labrador called Mufasa. Yeah, this is my van. It was an 800cc Suzuki minibus. It's more like a motorcycle on four wheels. But I took out the seats and I rigged a bed in the back with little curtains and everything. So I actually slept in that van. And there in the left-hand top corner, you can see a small picture of Mufasa. He was a albino golden Labrador. And yeah, we traveled through South Africa for about 3 years. But in any case, yeah, let me go and show you what Greenmarket Square looks like. Let's go! Okay. Ah, the rain is coming down. Why isn't the traffic moving? I don't know. Let's run for it. So Greenmarket Square is a beautiful place with a lot of restaurants, still a lot of old buildings. It's really gorgeous. And they have a lot of walking tours that they offer. You know, like they will take you through the Boerkaap, historic city, the apartheid to freedom tour. Okay, so yeah, please support them and book a tour, or alternatively you can find your own way. Cape Town is very tourist friendly. You'll find all the information you need here. The poor traders are going to pack up because of the weather. Curious George. Look at this building, it's kind of cool, right? Yeah. There's also a large square there with stalls, but I'm just going to walk down here. Excellent place to get gifts if you're a tourist. Ach, a tourist. Oh, this guy had a stall at Hout Bay where I had a stall. The Bay Harbour Market, I'm still going there. What is this? So cool. Oh, this is actually, this will make a good picture. I need to get a picture for the thumbnail. Almost forgot. Oh yeah, that actually looks amazing. There we go, I'm happy with that. I also need to get a selfie. Hang on a second. Okay, I got the selfie. Let's continue the walk. Oh yeah, this building. Hang on, with these elevators, they remind me of the ship. Okay, let's hope someone is actually going to get into one of those. But here you can see, hang on, I'm just taking this off my head. Here you can see like the elevators have their lights on and then they go up and down this building. And on Holland America Line, where I used to work on the ships, they had these glass elevators. Okay, let me just get through here. Oh, there we go, there we go, there we go. Yep, here it comes. Oh, this is epic. I'm so happy right now. There you go. Check it out. How cool is that, right? Yay, I got it. Okay. All right. So here you can see that, you know, everywhere on so many street corners, you can just look around and it will tell you exactly where to go. So I'm heading home, meaning I need to go to the bus station. Trying to figure out where I am right now. I think if I go in that direction, I'm not sure, I can't see a street name. Railway station is that way. Now if I go in the direction of the railway station, I should be fine. Oh, I'm just one block like to the left of where I usually walk. Okay, I know exactly where I am. Okay. You see, it was one of our suppliers. Okay, and that's the bus station I'm going to. Right, that's a wrap. Okay, everybody, I hope you enjoyed the walk with me through Greenmarket Square and a little bit of this side of Cape Town too. Keep on watching for more videos about Cape Town. I'm gonna spend a lot of time filming everything that I can think of. But thank you for your comments. Thank you for subscribing. Until next time, bye.